Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to add the battery widget on your iPhone. Okay, so basically you want to head out to settings right here. I have two options for you. Once it goes settings, let me just go back on the general settings right there. So this should be the landing page of your settings, right? So the first step is going to be clicking wallpaper right here. So just click add new wallpaper, choose a random wallpaper right there, click on the add widget option, and you'll have the um, battery widget right here. So just click on it and it will be added to your home screen as a widget, okay? So that's step one. Now going back on the home screen over here, so step one is going to settings, right? Second step is just dragging down and locating your lock screen. Now, clicking the center fold or center part of your screen, holding it and just choose customize right here. If I click customize over there, click on lock screen again, basically I just went back to where I'm before, but the difference is I didn't went to settings. Click on add widget, click on batteries right there, and there you go. I have the battery widget on my iPhone. So thank you so much for watching. That's how you add the battery widget on your iPhone. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys with the next one, okay? Bye for now.